What's up, everybody? It's your favorite sociologist and the identity professor, Dr. Aurelia Johnson. And I wanted to talk to you today about fear. And I like the acronym. It's false evidence that appears real. It's something that we think is really going to happen to us. Fear paralyzes us. It keeps us from moving forward. It keeps us from really going after the things that we're passionate about, the things that are tied to our purpose. And today I was actually having a conversation with a woman that I think consider as a mentor, and she was just really telling me about her story and how she allowed fear to keep her in a position that she didn't really want. And now that she has the opportunity to move around, she's not doing it because fear of the unknown, the not having a guarantee is now keeping her in a position because there are some circumstances in life that has changed for her. And I want to say to you guys, I want you, to say really, like, we have to learn how to confront fear. And I'm not saying just jump off a ledge with no plan, any of those things. Sometimes it works out for us. And I'm a testimony to one, those things. Like, I'll just jump. And sometimes it doesn't. But I want us to get into a place where we do not allow fear to paralyze us. We do not allow fear to keep us from our passion and our purpose. We do not allow fear to keep us from the love of our lives. We do not allow fear to keep us from writing and publishing that book, from buying that house, or even like taking the first step towards buying a house. We don't want fear to keep us from going after that degree, or after that job, or after that promotion, or after whatever that thing is that we desire. We have to get to a place in life where we're really confronting the things that make us anxious, and be courageous. Like, we have to turn that energy for something negative into something extremely positive. So I want you guys to comment below and let me know, what is fear keeping you from doing? And how can we together confront it? I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.
We want to make sure that we stay connected. So in order to do that, we need you to give us a thumbs up, like our page, comment below, let us know what other content you want to know about, what other sociological ideas that you want us to be able to talk back and forth with, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get a notification every time we upload new content.